Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to our logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can know who liked you on Happn for free, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Happn app, and once you open it, and make sure you have already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Happn apps on in the screen, where you can see the likes option just down below of this dashboard, which is distinguishable by a heart icon. Just tap on that heart icon or likes option, and now you will be redirected to the likes section, where you can see there is written you are sure to get noticed soon, which basically means I didn't have got any kind of likes from here. So if you want to increase your likes, then you can simply tap on the booster profile and you can buy a plan of the Happn, but it is not a free, it is a premium. So let's get back, and now you can see improve my profile. So if you want to increase your like for free, then just tap into the improve my profile and you can update your profile from here. You can also verify your profile by tapping on the verify my profile just down below of this screen, and yeah, certify your profile. Once you tap on it in that option just down below of this screen, you will be able to get a more likes than before, than as usual, you can say that. And once you get a more likes, then you can also check your like from the notifications, which is at the top right corner. And yeah, if you want to chat with your liked one, then simply tap on the crosses and you will be able to chat with them successfully. So basically this is how you can check who liked you on Happn for free. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.